Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look right here. And this look is inspired for fall. This is a colorful fall look, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking my Plouise Secret Sinner palette. I'm gonna start off with the shade In Lust, and I honestly thought this shade would be a little bit darker, and it wasn't, so that's why I went in with the shade Hook just to make it a little bit darker. But what I am doing, I am first just packing on the color, making sure I have the color correct that I want on. Taking my Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, I'm going to be using the shade Coin, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid, exactly where I cut the crease. And I'm also going to be trying to blend it a little bit with the color, just so it's easier to blend the concealer where it ended with the shades. Alright, so here I'm going to be taking the shade Dreamy, and I'm going to be applying it on my outer corner, also with the shade Hooked, and a little bit of that yellow, which is the shade Climax. Just reapplying on the outer corner those colors just to bring them back on the outer edge. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my Shop Miss A liquid liner, and I'm just going to be doing a very thin line just so I can, blend my eyelashes. I always say this, and I'm always going to repeat it. I always take the same eyeliner and just do a really, really thin line. Alright, so I'm just going to be taking my Morizi highlighter. The reason I'm taking this one is because it's the one I'm going to be applying on my cheeks. And I like to match my highlight with my brow bone, and that's the only reason why. Just taking the same little brush I used to add the yellow on, and I'm just going to be blending that highlight with the shade. Alright y'all, so I'm just showing off my hair because I had just recently dyed it, and look how fucking bomb it looks. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this color. Alright, so I'm just going to be taking the shade Hooked, and I'm going to be applying that on my lower lash, you know, smoking out my bottom lash line. Basically I'm gonna be taking each shade, which is Dreamy and Climax, also in my bottom lash, just to be maintaining the same colors I did on top to the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my mascara, which is from Shop Miss A. This is the Lash Fat Mascara. And the lashes I am wearing are Sittin' Pretty. And you can get these lashes from shopelprigin.com. They are amazing. These are literally like my favorite lashes. Honestly, the ones similar to G800, and they're so bomb. I'll have everything linked down below. I also do have a coupon code with her that you can get 10% off. Like, that is freaking great. So make sure you check her out. Alright, so now I'm going back in with my Amarizi highlight, and I'm just gonna add some highlight to my cheekbones. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking my Mario Badescu spray. I like to spray this to set my face. I really love to drench my face because that's what makes the makeup sink in my face, and it just makes everything look really nice and smooth instead of looking really powdery. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this Rimmel lip liner. I really don't know the shade, but I'll have a link down below, and I'm just going to lip line my lips. Taking this City Colors lipstick, and I'm just going to be applying that. I honestly been loving lipsticks at the moment just because my lips are so dry, and you will see that this winter. My lips always get dry during the winter, and I hate that so bad. Nothing helps for them to get better. They just, oh my goodness, hate it. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I have a close-up for you guys. I really love how this eyeshadow look came out. I'm so obsessed with it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and bye.